Good morning, friends, family, relieved professors, and shell-shocked graduates. We did it. We all finally made it, class of 2023! Today marks the culmination of our time here at King's and is a celebration of the individual paths we have all taken to reach this point. Through online classes, late-night study sessions, and dead, silent Teams tutorials, we have all reached the end of our undergraduate journey. And what a journey it was. I'm sure I'm not the first to say that ours was a bit of a unique university experience. The fact that we are all here now is a testament to this cohort's incredible tenacity and ability to adapt to uncertainty. Today marks an especially impressive achievement for all us graduates, beyond the accolades of a traditional university experience. But I'm sure you've all heard others talk about resilience and work ethic, and so I want to focus on a different aspect that came out of our time here. I've spent the last few months talking to various members of this cohort, discussing our experiences and reminiscing on our time here. Throughout these conversations, I started to notice some common trends. Like many of you, I spent a year of university online before starting to meet some people last year and finally having that experience I imagined this past year. While it was nice to cheap out on rent and groceries, there was a certain sense of loss from these conversations. The sports nights we couldn't attend, the missed meetings on campus, the 9 a.m.s we totally definitely would have made it to. Each of these have made an impact on our shared experience here. Yet, amidst this sense of longing and isolation, another theme started to emerge. Instead of focusing on the negative aspects, the time spent alone and the things that we lost, every single person then started to talk about their appreciation for the people they met and the connections they made. Small moments of kindness were given the same breadth as the grandest of summer trips, and coffee dates became bite-sized romantic comedies. Who knew that a simple lunch with friends could feel that special, or that a group study session could actually be, fun? After 2 years of unprecedented times, there was a true beauty in the familiarity of others' company. I think that one of this cohort's greatest achievements is this newfound appreciation for those small moments of connection. Because the old adage is certainly true, that we don't know what we have until we lose it. But I think that saying leaves out the absolute joy of finally getting it back. This past year, we have finally been able to explore the delightful contradictions and nuances of this class. We are a group of entrepreneurs, marathon runners, world travelers, first of family graduates, and expert procrastinators. We have introverted consultants, extroverted academics, and shy future leaders sitting in among us, with some of the kindest and most genuine people I have had the fortune in knowing. Beyond the textbooks, beyond the exams, beyond the terror that is the Excel Center, it has been these direct interactions with the inspiring faculty and the students that have made our university experience so special. Now, each of our next steps will be as diverse as the paths we have all taken to get us here. But we are all united by that shared joy of getting to know one another. And it is this excitement, this openness and this appreciation for each other that I hope we all take from our time here. Revel in your sense of community and appreciate the magic that can come from the mundane. After living through the extraordinary, we've all earned our enjoyment of things that are a little extraordinary. So cherish those passing in-between moments, from the wordless breakfast with your housemate to the evening pint with friends. Because we have all been forced to learn an important life lesson way before our time, that it is those small moments of connection that truly add the color to our everyday lives. So hold on to this gift that has been given to us. Hold on to the simple magic of a conversation, and hold on to that belief in each other, no matter how hard our next year's test or resolve. Because we will all have bad bosses. We're all going to have frustrating coworkers and annoying colleagues. But like our fellow classmates, we can all find comfort in the simple connections already surrounding us. Looking out at all of you now, I realize how much I'm going to miss seeing everyone in the halls of Bush House. Many of us have made lifelong friends as a result of our time here, and will carry with us the lessons learned from our peers onwards to whatever comes next. Getting to know you guys has been the single best thing about my university experience, and I feel incredibly lucky to call myself a part of this community. I cannot wait to see how we all change the world. Thank you very much for listening, and good luck, class of 2023!